Dear friend, once again welcome to Opentalk. In this tutorial I will show you how to remove background from images. It's very easy and one-click process. You don't need to learn Photoshop for that. All you have to do is just upload your content, upload your photo and get removed. And it's totally free, so you don't have to pay for that, and you don't have to give any credit for that. And also don't worry about photos quality. It will produce you high quality. So let's get started.
When I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me.
So to remove background images, just open up your browser and on your address bar type remove.bz, again remove.bz, and hit enter. After going that website, now click on select photo and select the photo you want to remove background. I'm gonna remove this photo's background. Then it will take some time to upload your photos, maybe few minutes. Then you will see the final version of removed background. You can see it will be look like that. So if you're not satisfied, you can edit, but I think it's perfect. I have seen so many websites like that, but it's totally different. It will perfectly remove your background and it's totally free. You don't have to pay any money or credit for that. So finally click on download. You can see it's already downloaded. So let's open my image. You can see it's my image. Within a short time I get removed background. So I think it will be helpful for a YouTuber who wants to make thumbnail. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. Take care.